Hello, I'm Alex from Promonoise, and I am thrilled to be reviewing the i8505 DML Original Polycotton Snapback Cap. Who the heck is DML? Well, they're only Canada's premium supplier of ball caps and the exclusive carrier of Cap America's unbelievable line of ball caps. This particular style is special. It comes in 29 different colorways. It is ideal for sports teams, perfect for baseball, hockey, golf, curling, you name it. People love this. And here's your first secret. This particular hat is available in youth sizes as well. 29 colorways in youth sizes too. And that's why so many schools love this hat. So many sports associations love this hat. So many camping associations and youth organizations. It is awesome. And it's also part of Cap America's premium line of caps, which means that you get premium technology, premium materials, things like an undervisor done in that gorgeous silver gray, which is tailor-made for reflection protection. I bet you didn't know that. Other things you can do with this unbelievable cap is you can actually individualize it with team numbers. And you can put those team numbers on the back to make it stand out so that nobody wears your hat. Now, DML are pros when it comes to decorating. So what you're seeing here is a beautiful flat embroidery on this particular hat. But there's nothing stopping you from doing 3D embroidery or even laser etched leather patches. Hey, you can do woven patches as well. You can do all kinds of beautiful things, and it's done in-house and decorated and sent right out the door right away. There's so many things that DML does well, and one of the things that I love that they do is their sampling policy. Samples are free, and so are spec samples. Send a logo, they'll put it on a hat, you can show it to your customer, and chances are they're going to love what they see. This particular style is a mid-profile hat. It's also a structured cap. Mid-profile means that this will actually come down to my ears, offer me beautiful sun protection, and it means that I've got lots of space for beautiful decoration. And corporations love that, sports teams love that, because they can see that logo at any single time. And because it's structured, it's got this beautiful fit, this beautiful contour as well, and the adjustable visor can be adjusted to any size that you want. There are so many reasons to love this company, so many reasons to love this style, but don't forget, with 29 colorways in adult sizes and youth sizes, you'll be able to find the perfect hat for your sports team. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Thank you very much for watching this review. If you like it, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep bringing you beautiful noise.